Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Anna. Today I'm sharing with you this tutorial how I'm making lily flowers using Lady E design, and I'm using leaves 002. I'm using the largest die cut and I've cut 3 layers using Foamiran sheets. I'm working with Gelatos to add the color to my petals, so I'm just going directly with my sponge and picking the color from gelato and smudging on each layer. Now I'm going directly with my gelato to each layer and just making a line in the middle, just to add extra highlights to each petal, and again smudging with sponge. Now I'm introducing new color to the middle of my petals. And this is gonna be my center of the flower, so I've chose to go with orange shade. So you're repeating the process on each layer, depends how many flowers you want to make. I'm working on 3. If you want to add extra color or layers of the shades, if you want to make them darker, just go back to each layer and repeat the process. You can choose other colors if you like. You can go with orange and, for example, red. You can just leave them white if you like if you want to make white lilies. The choice is yours. You can go with the pink, whatever works for you. Now I'm using micro permanent pencil and making small dots. They are very irregular, just to add extra interest to my petals. Now I'm using scissors. The reason I'm using scissors, I want to snap each layer just a little bit towards the center. That will help me to actually layer the petals better and make it more realistic like lilies. Now you have to go with each layer with a heating using iron, or you can use the heat gun, and just crunch them like this. Mostly you can concentrate on the top of petal. That's where the all interest will be most visible. Okay, now you have to be very careful when you're stretching your layers. Have just destroy one of the layers, so just be mindful with that. to make a hole in the middle to work with your stamens, and you can make a stamens using with, for example, Play-Doh. Play-Doh dries quite well and makes the stamens quite harder. You just work on a piece of a wire, that's all you really need for that particular stamens. Now you have to add hot glue to the places and glue each petal and layer them equally. Just be careful with the hot glue because it's hot and it also leaves that fluffy bits which you have to remove it, so just take your time with that, you don't have to rush through it. And secure your stamens at the bottom with the hot glue before you chop the excess off. So this is it. This is how they look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is the other lilies what I've made a couple of days earlier, and I've posted a picture on my social media, and I had a question with asking how actually making those lilies. So happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye for now.